The Bucks hosting the Mavericks. Chris Middleton had 31 points. The Greek Freak had 27. Giannis wanted a lob to start the game. He wanted a lob early. That would not be his only dunk tonight. Wes Matthews for the Mavericks. He had 29 points. And now the future Hall of Famer camping in the corner. Splash. Knocking it down, making it look easy. And he's old. What a behind the back move. Kissing it off the glass, avoiding the defense. In the second half, check out Giannis when he decides to lift off. There's nothing the defense can do. That's near the free throw line. He said, I want a dunk. I want to be on SportsCenter. I want to be on Smoove Center. Now he's getting the assist on the splash. Chris Middleton. Bucks up by 3 in the fourth quarter. It's going to be Eric Bledsoe knocking it down from behind the line. This game is for the taking. Which team is going to take it? Wes Matthews, they forgot about him. He ties the game in the fourth. Will Giannis do something crazy in the clutch? It's going to be Chris Middleton. Going to step it back. Splash! 4-point play. And the Bucks win this game.
You want me to be on the cover of 2K19?
Yeah, man.
Yo, that's crazy. That's why you came by?
Yeah.
Man,
What did you think I was here for?
I thought you just came by to like take a selfie, maybe play some video games, put some shots up or something.
Actually, that's a great idea. Can we take a selfie?
Oh, yeah, let's do it.
Y'all can give me a boost? Maybe.
I like that. Get another one.